Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem left rotate matrix k times. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says that you are given an integer k and a matrix mat. Return a matrix where it is rotated left k times. So for instance, if this is the matrix which is given to us and the value of k is 1, then in such case, after left rotating the matrix, the resultant matrix will be something like this. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So in order to understand the solution of this problem, the concept which we need to understand is how do we rotate an array. So let us discuss an efficient algorithm to rotate an array. So let us say the array which is given to us is this, and we want to rotate this array for 3 times. So in order to rotate the array 3 times, what we are going to do is we are going to divide this array into 2 parts. The first part consists of array 0 to 2. So 0th index element, first index element and second index element. And the second part of array consists of remaining element. So that will be from 3 to 6. So once we have divided the array into 2 parts, we are going to reverse this and we are going to reverse the second array. And once we have reversed the first part and the second part, then we are going to reverse the entire array. So now let us apply this algorithm on this example in order to see the resultant array. So let us first reverse the first 3 elements of the array. So let us first reverse these elements. So once we reverse the first part of the array, the resultant array will look something like this. So 3, 1 and 2. Similarly, let us now go ahead and reverse the remaining part of the array. So let us reverse it 7, 4, 6 and 5. So over here we have reversed the first part and the second part, and now let's perform the final operation, which is to reverse the entire array. So now let's go ahead and reverse the entire array. So let us do this. 4, 3, 5 and 2, 6, 1 and 7. And in this way, if you see, we have rotated this array 3 times. So that's the general idea behind this problem, folks. Now let us see how we will be able to apply this logic in order to solve our problem. So in our question, rather than an array, a matrix is given to us. So what we are going to do is we are going to apply rotate array logic on each rows of the matrix. And in this way, we will be able to rotate the entire matrix k times. So that's the discussion about the solution, folks. Now let us discuss the pseudocode for this problem. So let us say we want to rotate matrix k times. So a matrix is given to us, and how many times do we want to rotate is given to us. So now let us iterate on the rows of the matrix. So for I in range of length of the matrix. So now we are at the ith row of the matrix. So what we are going to do is we are going to rotate the ith row of the matrix. So before we rotate the ith row of the matrix, what we are going to check is if k is greater than or equals to length of ith row. If it is greater than or equals to the length of ith row, then in such case what we can do is we can say that k is equals to k modulo length of matrix I. So in this way we will be able to update our k. Once we have updated our k, then we are going to perform the 3 operations which we have discussed, which is to reverse the first k elements of the array, then reverse the remaining elements of the array, and once we have reversed these 2 parts of the array, then we are going to reverse the entire array. So let us say we have a function to reverse the array. So what we are going to do is we are going to say reverse matrix, ith row of the matrix, and how many elements do we want to reverse? So from 0th element to all the way till k minus 1 element we want to reverse. Once we have reversed this, then we want to reverse the remaining element. So the ith row of the matrix, and from k to all the way till len of matrix I minus 1. So in this way we have reversed the first two parts of the array. After reversing the two parts of the array, then we are going to reverse the entire array. Matrix I, then 0 to len of matrix I minus 1. And in this way we will be able to rotate the matrix k times, and towards the end we can return matrix. Now let us discuss the reverse function as well. So reverse function, an array is given to us, starting position and ending position is given to us. So what we are going to do is we are going to iterate on the elements of the array till s is less than e, and then we are going to swap the elements present at s and eth position. So let us swap it. Array of s is equals to array of e, and finally array of e equals to temp. And once we have done this, then we are going to update our s and eth pointer. So let us increase s by 1 and let us decrease e by 1. And in this way we will be able to reverse an array. So that's the whole code, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python. So this is the Python code, folks. Over here I'm iterating on the rows of the matrix, and once I'm iterating on the rows of the matrix, then I'm performing the reverse operation which we have discussed. This is, we are reversing the first part of the array. Here we are reversing the second part of the array, and then towards the end we are reversing the entire array, and then towards the end we are returning matrix. So that's the whole code, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our solution got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.